Petty fam, we doing T.O. and P.O. Spicy Would You Rather. We got petty. Let's get into it.
Good, we gotta keep it down.
See, petty fam, they got petty. I know, petty. I know my is petty, so I gotta see T.O. give, I gotta see her give petty P.O.
That's the kids.
And we gotta keep it close because this lighting in the back is trying to take me out. So we're gonna just be close with y'all because we love y'all. T.O.P.O. vibes.
Today we're doing a Would You Rather. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna be petty?
Alright, so I go first?
No, rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
How do you play rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot?
No. Rock, paper.
Rock, paper,
Dang,
scissors,
I just
shoot?
messed that up. Yeah, just go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah. Rock,
Okay.
paper, scissors.
You know that's not how we play on my channel, but you know, we'll let Lee control the T.O. and P.O. thing today. Let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Are we doing best out of 3?
Yeah, okay. You make the rules, whatever.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, got you. Rock, paper, scissors, got you. Rock, paper, scissors, got you.
Alright. Go ahead, man. Oh, you ain't even looking at your phone. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Would you rather
Yeah, she petty. She petty. She count down. See, he over here plotting. He like, what can I say? Do I start off with the heat or do I just kind of get her with a leading question?
Would you rather make your relationship status public or have OnlyFans?
Bro, I'm gonna make my relationship status public. Not doing no OnlyFans. What do I look like with an OnlyFans?
No, I'm just trying to see if you was a freak.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
You get to have a lot of fun with this game.
That was really off the cuff. OnlyFans? Me?
Imagine you would have been like OnlyFans. That would have been great content. They'd be like, Lee's a freak.
I wonder how many people would subscribe. I'm just saying, like.
Comment right now if you subscribe to Lee.
No, don't comment. How is this turning into that, bro? Stop.
It's like you going to the gym getting sexy.
Chill out. I'm gonna go because you keep talking about the OnlyFans. I want to get rid of this. So listen, would you rather get cheeks in the back seat or in your apartment?
Okay. The only reason is right. Like, look, let me take you.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Yeah.
There's positives for both. All right. The car cheeks is real spontaneous, you know, and then, like I do miss the spontaneity of like going to a spot and just getting the cheeks after
the thrill of getting arrested.
Yeah. I've never gotten arrested for getting car cheeks.
But
it was for other things.
But it's a possibility, so it's a thrill. Don't call me for bail. I'm gonna tell you right now, listen, because you've had some run-in with the law and you pranked me. Never call me.
You're not gonna take me serious.
I'm just not gonna give it to you. But
something goes crazy, I'm calling you.
No. If you're getting cheeks in the backseat of your car at this point in life and you get arrested, don't call me.
Okay, backseat cheeks, I won't call you.
Don't call me.
Just regularly arrested, that's what call me. All right.
Call Clarence. Which one?
Being that I've crashed every car.
Why you gotta call Clarence?
Car that I've gotten cheeks in, I will take the apartment.
Okay.
I would prefer now the apartment.
Okay.
It's like not spontaneous. It's like she knows what she came over here for. It's like we're eventually.
Somebody can't come over to just chill
at this age, at this big age.
Yeah, you can't have friends. Like nobody could come over to chill.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't really have any female friends in Atlanta.
Okay.
That's tough.
You heard that. If he invites you over, you're giving up the cheeks.
No.
That's exactly what you just told the people.
No, but I'm just.
That is what you said, sir. That's what he said. So what do y'all think about that? I mean, you just can't come over just to chill or watch a movie and then like coffee really means like cheeks now? Okay. That's where he's going. So don't. If you go to Mom's house, don't ask for no sugar because you're gonna be giving some. Just saying.
And
Here go.
When they come over, they usually give them the chicken. Would you rather live in New York or Atlanta? It's a good one.
It is. Because I had the same question for you. So
yeah.
I'm going to have to switch that up. But
no, you could double back. You could double it back.
Nah, I'm a curtail it a bit.
Okay.
I'm going to say Atlanta. I made the move during COVID, and I've been very happy here. I haven't even really been back to New York for real, maybe on tour, but like until it opens back up, I can't enjoy my city the same. I'm cool here.
I'm like 60-40. I probably would have won Atlanta too, though. I like this. There's certain things you lose touch with.
No, for sure. But like just where I'm at in life and what I'm trying to do, like I'm cool with the change, and I can always go back.
For like 2 weeks, my lingo came back. You know, my edge came back. I was rapping different. You know, it's a little.
All right, well, you gotta go back there a little bit.
Yeah, I just gotta touch it more, but there's a little bit that goes with that.
So my question, but it's gonna be a little bit different from yours.
Yeah.
I think I know the answer, but I'm gonna say Bronx or Mount Vernon.
Come on now.
I'm just saying.
Mount Vernon. That's my hood. I bleed that. Feel me? That's one thing that you can't ever take away from me.
All right.
Mount Vernon.
All right. Because you're always in the Bronx and all.
No, I love the Bronx.
Okay.
But I love my hood way more.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, don't say sorry to me.
Yeah.
Bronx all day.
Okay. Let's see. Would you rather be deaf or blind?
What kind of question is that?
If you're deaf, you won't be able to hear what people are saying about you.
Bro, I know
but
what
if
deaf
you're
is.
blind,
bro,
you won't be able to.
She can't take it. She like, what are you talking about? I know what this means. She like, seriously? Like, are you kidding me?
See anything at all.
Bro, but I know what each one means. I didn't need the breakdown. Like, what? Just let me decide, bro. Thank you.
You wear glasses. You take them shits off, you probably blind.
See, you being petty. You being petty, my. Don't come for the glasses, people. Do not come for the glasses. No, sir.
Bro, I really want to say something to you right now, but the camera's up. I'm gonna say it to you when we get off.
No.
I'm gonna go deaf. I'm gonna have to choose deaf. Like I feel like I with the eyes you can see, but I could also read lips. I would have to really sharpen that skill. But when you're blind, you can hear, but like you can't
really see what's going on.
You can't see. You know what I mean? So
yeah. I think I would have picked that too.
Yeah, that was a good one though. Okay, Mom.
Come on, I told you off the top, I'm ill.
So we're gonna go
on honey hoodie today with the satin.
So let's go. Would you go glizzy or sauce or sausage? Which one you grabbing?
All right.
Tell the people.
First of all, pause. Before I say this answer, but she gave me two. You feel me?
Which one you rather in your mouth?
Okay. Let's just keep it a stack. I'm gonna leave it all the way stack.
Keep it a stack.
I'm gonna give context behind this.
Just answer the question. Just answer the question.
Context behind this. I'm not gonna have a hot dog. I'm not gonna have a hot dog glizzy because it's like there's only one way to eat that glizzy. You feel me? But a sausage, I could cut it up and put it in my pasta.
You could cut up a glizzy. Yes, you can. Pork and beef. Yeah, you could.
Nah, but I'm talking about the way glizzies are consumed is my problem.
So you're going sausage?
Yeah.
So Mod would prefer sausage in his mouth.
Hey,
okay.
Yo. Would you rather? You want to be petty, right?
I think that was the pettiest. But yeah, I got two more for you. You got two more for me? I got two more.
Would you prefer?
Chill out.
Your mom's cooking. Or Uber Eats.
Bro, why are you doing that?
Nah, I'm just saying. Your mom's upstairs, by the way. She probably can hear our video. I want your mom's cooking every time. Just saying.
Bro, of course I'm gonna go with my mom's cooking, bro. I just don't have my mom's cooking. But so I order Uber Eats, but my mom's cooking. What's wrong with you?
You lie.
I'm not lying.
Let me tell you.
She is lying.
Y'all guys a little insight. We have probably lived in Atlanta a couple years or been away from Atlanta. Every time we go home to their house, I'm the only one that eats. They order out Uber Eats and they say, I've been eating that since I was a child.
Yeah, because you get tired of eating the same thing.
But
doesn't mean you don't
y'all
like
be going 6 months without eating it, and then y'all go home and still order Uber Eats when your mom cooked dinner.
Bro, we have decades of eating rice and beans. So like, if we want, to not eat,
He got you, Lee. He got you. He said that you said that your mama is a one-meal wonder. Y'all Uber Eats all day.
Rice and beans, like, give us a break.
You know what I mean? I'm just saying, I'm never turning down
because you
oxtails at my mom's crib, and I had those as long as you had rice and beans. I'm not turning down the rice and peas with the oxtail gravy.
It's just not going
down. But if you want to cap for them, it's okay.
I'm not capping.
I know
Don't
you for
do
real.
that. Oh, it's not even petty because I don't even have no.
It's petty because he's telling on you.
One petty one, but I wish I did because you pissed me off with that last one. Born Center or Forest Hills Drive?
Born Center or Forest Hills Drive? Wow. I really can't pick.
You have to.
See, she knows him well.
For two separate reasons. Like, I feel like Forest Hill Drive is his most commercial album, but I feel like Born Center might be like his best perspective-giving album.
Gotta choose one. It's part of the game.
I'll go Forest Hills Drive. No Role Models means a lot to me. January 28th means a lot to me. Yeah, I'll go Forest Hills Drive. Tough. Born Center will probably be my second favorite, though. And then Friday Night Lights. Okay.
See, I didn't go petty. I was trying to be mature. But that was petty. My mom's cooking was petty.
This is a good one. QUEENNAIJA EP or Misunderstood?
See, I told y'all, Maya is my boy. He's a petty fam. He hit you with the unexpected, you know?
Now that's a good one. That's a good.
She the manager, so she got to tailor her answer again.
Good one right there. It's a good one.
I love them for two different reasons. I do.
That's a good one right there, y'all. Y'all gotta like me. Come on, that's a great question. That's a great question.
That's tough. Because it's like the EP was new Queen, and then it's just Misunderstood is like the artist Queen. Like, it was just a different level, a different phase.
And way more music.
Yeah. I think for sentimental reasons.
The EP, I think, was, she fought really, really hard for that one. So for me, I think it's that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the EP just because so much was happening. Like, it was the beginning of everything. It was like your first high.
Yeah, it represents like a total time period. Like, when you heard the songs, it was like bring you back to tour.
Yeah, it was like no pressure, no politics, no. She was creating freely. Mm-hmm. She did it real like quick. It was off the top. Like, it was life changing for all of us. Mm-hmm. So I would have to go EP. But man, that would be the only reason why I choose the EP.
Just for the nostalgic feel of it.
Yeah, because that's tough. Misunderstood is tough.
No, Misunderstood is super tough. The funny thing is, I'll be dead ass bumping Pack a Light. I don't know why. I don't know who I'm mad at.
Wow, that's tough.
That was a good question.
Let's go. Clarence or BRIM?
Yo, that's petty. Yo, that's dumb petty.
Because you talk to both of them every day.
That's dumb
in the morning together.
That's dumb petty. No disrespect to BRIM.
Who didn't know he was going to pick Clare? Come on. Sorry, Brim.
It's disrespect.
No disrespect to Brim. Me and Brim go back way far. We go back even before I knew Clarence. But like, I feel like in this life that I now live as a grown up, in terms of like understanding each other, like I feel like there's a certain language only me and Clarence can speak because only me and him experience certain things. And yeah, that's my boy, 50 grand right there, man. That's my man. So when I go to jail and shit, I be calling him.
So Brim ain't shit. I got you.
No, Brim is my boy. Brim is my boy, 50 grand. But you know, that's my man's 100 grand.
P.O. is being petty now. She say, "Oh, Brim, I guess you got nothing to find another friend."
Too, but yeah, there's certain things that me and Clarence, we just went through. Even this growing and becoming these people, it's like, only me and him can really get it.
I feel you. I'm done with my questions. This is a great, yeah, I don't want you to get any more petty with me, so I feel like we should wrap this up.
No, because did you go first or did I go first? I went first. Nah, let's go one more question each. Come on, one more question each. Think of one, freestyle. Would you rather? You're in a dangerous situation, right? There's a lot going on. You feel unsafe. You have two brothers.
What?
Would you rather Clarence pull up and help you or George pull up and help you?
George.
I'm with you. I'm with you, P.O. I would not call Clarence in no dangerous situation. Sorry, I'm being petty. Now, if you need Clarence to style you, you need to pizzazz, you need to show out, you need to go buy, something really nice for like Christmas, something like, I'm calling Claire. Claire is all day. Like, he got the style management deal. He got his stuff on lock. He got the Jeweler Connect. I think P.O. actually got the Jeweler Connect. But anyway, so for that kind of stuff, yeah. But George, even though I ain't seen George but like 3-4 times, he the bodyguard. He part of security. So I will call George too. Sorry, Claire.
A boy soft.
George all day.
Okay, so dangerous situation, George every time?
Yes, all the time.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. George he's showing up to kill. Clarence is gonna be like, let's assess the situation. It's a different approach.
Thank you. That's what I was trying to get at. That is what I was trying to say, P.O. Thank you. That's what I was trying to say. Claire is going to think it out. He going to come with some rational solution. And George is going to take care of business.
Okay.
It's okay. You feel me? Like, there's no, like, after he commits the murder, then he will have a conversation with me. Like, hey, like, why did I just do that? You know what I'm saying?
He's not asking no questions.
No questions.
Okay.
And like, Clarence going to be like, but what did you do in the situation? Like, could you have prevented it? Like, it's going to be this whole dialogue that I'm not feeling.
Okay.
You feel me?
You just want a crazy man to pull up. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what you didn't do? I think you could have done?
What?
You could have made that New York ATL question. Would I rather a girl from New York?
No, because I do have one question. But I don't want it. So I'm going to ask it because you're petty anyway. So we're going to go A and B. And I think you know who A and B stands for.
Oh.
Would you rather...
My God. Why are both their initials A and B?
Would you rather get back with A or would you rather get back with B?
Well, they know who A is now. Because of the other day when I did the
I know who both of them are. No other women in this world. You have to get back with one of no other female likes you. Like, you're a whole dub. You could only pick.
She petty. What is she talking about? She said these are the last women, not even on earth. These are the last women that want to mess with you. She said all the other ones are like, nah. So A and B is your only option.
Girl A, girl B. And their names start with A and B. They're just
that's why it's crazy. Yeah, that's why it's actually
B.
crazy. Yeah, A is why A and B is crazy. You know what's tough? Nobody's ever loved me like A. And I've never loved anybody like B.
I felt that. Like, I really felt that. I think we should just end on that note. I ain't gonna even put you in that.
That's right there.
Thank you for watching the TOP
That's tough,
channel. What we got? We uploaded one We got some more work to do, but just stay tuned. I'm trying to catch up here.